Okay, we got our head here, we got it all prepped and ready to go. We've cut out the 3 pieces that we're going to need for the mouth. So we're going to glue them together. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Got any questions or comments or suggestions? Put it in my comment section. I'd appreciate that also. So we'll glue this together and I'll let it set for a couple of days because we won't be coming back to this step for quite a while. This is one of the last things that we'll end up carving after we get the head all done. Sometimes when I cut this out, I think it's going to work right, and then after I get it all adjusted, it doesn't work, so I got to cut out a different one. So clamp this, like I said, and let it set. Just snug this up for the moment. Adjust this. Like I say, I always make everything oversized so I can cut back on it if I need to. If you don't make it big enough, then you got to start all over. There we go. We'll set this aside and let it set up, and then we'll be ready to carve this when we get to this step. Thanks for watching.